Low energy, belly fat creeping in, motivation just not the same. It could be your testosterone. The good news, there are safe, natural ways to fix it, and in today's video, I'll show you how. Welcome to SAL-Ed, where we simplify nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle to help you stay strong, lean, and energized after 30. Today we're talking testosterone, why it drops, how it affects your life, and what you can do starting today to raise it naturally. Testosterone is the hormone that, really drives your energy, muscle growth, libido, fat burning, and even your mood. It actually peaks in your 20s and then, it starts to decline after you hit 30. When your levels get low, you might notice symptoms like fatigue, brain fog, depression, belly fat, and honestly, just low motivation. So let's talk about 7 natural ways to boost testosterone. First up, lift heavy things. Resistance training is awesome for boosting your testosterone levels, both in the short and long term. And here's a tip: focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. Hey, so it's super important to prioritize deep sleep. Aim for about 7 to 9 hours each night. If you get poor sleep, your testosterone levels will be lower the next day. Here's a quick tip. Keep your room dark, set a cool temperature, and try to avoid screens for at least 1 hour before bed. Next up, you want to optimize your micronutrients. Zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D are absolutely crucial for testosterone production. Some good sources are oysters, pumpkin seeds, salmon, and leafy greens. And finally, don't forget to eat enough healthy fats. Cholesterol is actually the raw material your body uses to make testosterone. So, include foods like eggs, avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish in your diet. So, let's talk about lowering chronic stress. Cortisol, which is our main stress hormone, can actually suppress testosterone levels. But here's the good news. There are some simple tips that really help, like practicing breath work, going for a walk, journaling, and definitely avoiding doom scrolling. All right, now let's get into cold showers and sunlight. Just a short burst of cold exposure plus getting some daily morning sun can boost both your testosterone and your mood. Really, it's as simple as 2 minutes of cold and 10 minutes of sunlight each day. All right, let's talk about cutting back on alcohol and sugar. Alcohol actually disrupts hormone production, and honestly, so does having too much sugar. Moderation is really the key here. Having a drink once or twice a week is totally fine, but making it a nightly habit, not so much. Now, here are a few things you definitely want to avoid. First, don't overtrain. Doing too much cardio can actually lead to a drop in testosterone. Also, don't undereat because calorie restriction can actually trigger hormonal shutdown. And try to steer clear of xenoestrogens, which are found in things like plastics, parabens, and even soy protein isolate. So, the big takeaway here is that testosterone doesn't have to tank as you get older. With just a few smart daily choices, you can absolutely reclaim your energy, your strength, and your drive. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Thanks for hanging out with me.